All right, so today we are looking at the TSS Fab GC and GD lateral link. These ones in particular are made out of a 6061 aluminum, so a little bit lighter, but you do have the option to go with a 4130 steel link as well. They all come standard with a 3/4 inch heim joint on each end. Obviously both ends are threaded, so you can easily adjust that at the track. From there, you would obviously want to go with a steel joint if you're doing anything with a little bit more abuse. These are going to be just fine for a road racing application, but of course you can give them a call and ask them what they recommend based on what you're trying to accomplish. So go ahead and check these out. Like I said, tssfab.us. These will go great paired with any of their other option, or of course your stock parts as well. So you can easily integrate these into what you're doing. But of course, if you're going all out, you can go ahead and just order the whole catalog. So check it out, tssfab.us. If you have any questions, make sure you reach out to them directly. They'd be more than happy to help you out.